Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you this secret technique and a very simple way how to peel ginger fast. The secret technique to peel ginger fast is to do it using a spoon. This is how you do it. Grab a spoon and a ginger. All you have to do is to peel it this way. Act like you are cleaning the ginger by rubbing or scratching its skin to get it to peel off. The ginger is now clean and peeled. Now, wasn't that nice and fast? And it only took a spoon. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you're interested to learn about how to make sugar syrup, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes. Thanks for watching and have a great day!